Hey, this is my new ride. We're here with StickShiftStudios, Alex Griebel, my brand new 2015 Dodge Challenger, and yeah, let's get this channel going. We're gonna line her up, do some flybys, and probably gonna swing her around a little bit. Let's get her going, eh?
Fuel your passion. Join the StickShift family of YouTube channels. Subscribe now.
What kind of cars are those behind us? Those aren't cops, right? I love being with car guys. Blows my mind. They all drive fucking Teslas here, right? Oh God, who gives a shit? We're gonna line her up. All right, you ready? Man, that sounds bitchin'. Oh man, I can't believe that. I can't believe that. It just blows my mind. There's a lot of parking garages here. You should do Are you still rolling? Probably get out of the garage. It's super loud in here.
Yeah. Just smoke
I love being with car guys. Do you see that behind us?
Swing around a little bit.
Right, and then go left. This is identical. I'm not gonna use this. Do some flybys.
Flybys.
I feel like I should get a pair of like shitty rims.
And then just do a massive burnout. If it goes to the rim, who cares?
Yeah, like I feel
you
like
could probably get a pair of Charger rims on.
Yeah, I should probably
on Facebook for like $100.
I should probably do that.